a tall oak tree in a quiet forest lived a cheerful red squirrel named Sammy and his neighbor, a beautiful bluebird named Bella. One stormy night, strong winds knocked Bella's nest out of the tree. Her 3 tiny eggs fell to the ground. Bella sat on a branch, crying softly. Sammy woke up and saw her tears. Without saying a word, he climbed down, gently picked up each egg with his tiny paws, and carried them one by one back up the tree. Then he gathered soft moss, leaves, and twigs, and built Bella a brand new nest right next to his own cozy hole. When the sun rose, Bella found her eggs safe and warm in the new nest. She flew to Sammy and gently touched her beak to his cheek. "Thank you," she whispered. "You saved my babies." From that day on, Sammy and Bella shared the tree every season. Bella sang sweet songs for Sammy, and Sammy always saved the biggest acorns for Bella's family. Because the smallest act of kindness can turn a stormy night into the beginning of a beautiful friendship.